Good morning, children. This assignment is for the class of upper kindergarten for the subject of mathematics, and today we are going to do addition and takeaway sums. Let us start with addition. Children, you know this sign is used for addition. Children, as you all know, 0 means nothing. When we add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. For example, if I add 0 to 1, that is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So you see the number remains the same because 0 means nothing. But when we add 1 to any number, we get its next higher number. So let us add numbers 0 to 9 with number 1 and C. Children, you will also write the spellings of the answers. If I add anything with 0, my answer will be same. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So let me write here 1. Now what is the spelling of 1? You all know it. So let's write here O-N-E 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. My one finger plus one more finger is equal to 2 fingers. So the answer is 2. The spelling of 2, T W O 2. Now next is 2 plus 1. Now take out your 2 fingers, 1 and 2 and one more finger. Now how many fingers are there? Count them, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 3. Spelling T H R E and E 3. I hope you have understood now. Now you will do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You will do all these numbers yourself and then write the spellings of these numbers. Okay, children, let us do one more assignment sheet of addition. You will add the objects together and write the answer in the given box. Let us start. You will add these objects and write the number in the given box. Let us do 1. 1 2, 3, and this is the sign of plus 1. That is how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Altogether there are 4 slices of watermelon. So let us write number 4. Next is sun. Let us count how many are there. 1, 2 and plus 1, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write number 3 in this box. Now rest you will do it yourself. You will count them and write the number in the given box. Now let us do subtraction, children. Subtraction is taking away. Children, as we have learned take away or subtraction in our previous assignment sent to you on 7th December 2020. So let us do one activity before doing this sheet of takeaway. What is it, children? Yes, they are groundnuts. Let us count. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many are they? 5. If I take away 2 groundnuts, 1 and 2. So I take away, this is the sign which we use for take away, 2 groundnuts. So how many are left with you? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So that is 5 minus or take away 2 is equal to 3 groundnuts left with you. Let us do one more. These are the biscuits. Now how many are they? Let us count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have 4 biscuits with you. If I take away or minus 1 biscuit, I took away 1. So how many left with you? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 biscuits are left with you. So that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Children, as you have understood what is takeaway, now let us do this sheet. 5 minus or take away 3 is equal to 2. Let us see how. There are 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I take away 3 circles from you, you are left with 2 circles only. So here we cannot take away the circles. So we will put cross on the circles. Now let us do one more. 4 minus 2 is equal to, let's see, there are 4 circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will take away 2 circles. So take away means we are going to put cross here. 1 cross and one more circle. So we have put cross on 2 circles, 1 and 2. Now let us see how many left. 1 and 2. 2 are left with us. So that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Let us do one more. 3. So we have 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3 minus 2. So that means I will take away 2 circles from the given 3 circles. So we are going to put cross on 2 circles, 1 and 2. So how many left? We are left with 1 circle. So the answer is 1. So you have understood how to do it. Now you are going to do rest 4 of them yourself, children. Okay, goodbye children.